Let's go. Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Saying that you really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never stop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. But you ain't ever gonna stop me. Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it in a little thing, and I think that they be doing cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna da-da-da-da. Then I'm gonna murder everything and everything about a boom, bada bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I'm always winning, and I gotta do it again and again and again. And I be doing it to that when I move a little foul, nigga better call the ref, and everybody know my style, and they know that I'm the best when it comes to doing this. I be banging on my chest, and I bang in the east, and I bang in the west, and I come to give you more. I will never give you less. You can hear it in the street, or you can read it in the press. Do you really want to know what's next? What's up? Please give me points for that. I don't know. I'm begging for points. I'm begging for points.
Literally how?
You know what? Actually, I had learned that on the school bus to perform on the school bus. That is exactly why I know that song. Please give me more points.